In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page in Shopify, step by step. Establishing a clear and informative FAQ page is vital for providing your customers with quick answers to the most common queries. This helps reduce the time spent on customer support and improves your customers' overall experience on your site. So, let's dive right in and see how you can easily create this useful page on your Shopify store. First, to begin, we're going to navigate to the site editor. Once you're there, you'll notice the page title prominently displayed at the top of your screen. Clicking on this title will trigger a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to choose the Pages option. This selection will direct you to the section where you can manage all of the pages on your Shopify site. Next, you'll want to find the button for creating a new template. Select the Create Template option. This is a crucial step in building your FAQ page. Once you click on it, the system will prompt you to give your new page a name. A straightforward choice is to call it something like FAQ, which makes it easily identifiable for future edits. After naming the page, it's time to apply a default template. Shopify offers a range of existing templates that provide a good starting point, ensuring your FAQ page maintains a consistent look and feel with the rest of your site. Once the page is created, you'll be automatically directed to a customization screen. This is where the real creativity starts. One of the most effective ways to format your FAQ is by using the collapsible content section. This layout is user-friendly as it allows visitors to click on questions to reveal the answers, mimicking the format that most people are familiar with and leading to a better user experience. Not only does it declutter the page, but it also allows users to find answers quickly and efficiently. In this collapsible content section, you'll begin adding the questions and their respective answers. This is where you can anticipate your customers' most common inquiries, addressing them comprehensively. After you've finished populating your FAQ content, don't forget the most important step: click Save. Confirming your changes ensures that everything you've worked on is secured and ready to be viewed by your customers. And, just like that, you've successfully created a FAQ page on your Shopify store. This page will serve as a valuable resource, enhancing customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful as you continue developing your Shopify site. Feel free to explore more customization options to make your FAQ page even more engaging. Until next time, happy selling.